tracks ahead. If they do on the road test, if they take you over train tracks, you can keep the same speed as you are here like this. It's perfect. You don't need to slow it down for the tracks. Just check left and right. Just kind of move your head left and right. That way then they see that you're scanning the train. Or those little pickup trucks with the train wheels.
Yeah.
Workers. At the traffic lights, we're going to turn left.
Okay. It's one of the least favorite spots, isn't it? Like the highways and stuff.
Pardon me?
I don't like the highways.
We're going to be doing a little bit of highway driving on your third hour.
Yeah.
So right from here, you signal left. And the first line there, the thick one, is getting to the bottom of your windshield. And complete stop. Now when you're looking, you can still see the crosswalk line, the furthest one out, right?
Yeah.
If you can't see it, that means you're too far ahead. If you can see it, right position here. We'll be doing major intersections on your fourth hour.
Okay.
Lights in detail.
So I'm gonna stay on the left side though, right?
Yeah, when you turn into the left lane closest to the median.
Okay.
And then you switch over into the right lane when it's safe. So the light just turned yellow here, and there's no traffic. Light's green, everything's good. We have this vehicle behind you, so you want to pick up your speed. Stay ahead of that traffic behind you. Signal right, and pick up your speed. Mirror, blind spot check over here. If you look over your right shoulder, then you're looking at your blind spot.
Yeah.
And into the tracks right on. We're going to turn right at the lights. So from back here, signaling, checking the mirror, slowing it down perfectly. And you can turn. Okay, right on. We're going to keep going right down to that stop sign. And the speed limit here is 40. The road conditions are fairly okay. Like,
yeah.
The surface of the road here looks pretty good. We got traction.
Yeah. So I'm gonna whip a corner.
Then when we get to the stop sign, we're going to turn left. More snow on the other side of the road than there is on this one.
Yeah.
And signal left.